Hello everyone, this is Dr. Talari, and in today's video I'm going to talk about the books needed to pass the AMC MCQ. Many people ask me what are all the books we have to read to pass the AMC MCQ, and this is one question which most of the doctors ask me in the Facebook forum, so I thought I'll do a video on what books you have to read, and I'm doing a few more videos on tips how to read a question and other tips on AMC MCQ. So the most important book if you want to practice medicine in Australia as a doctor, or if you want to pass medical exams in Australia, is John Murtagh. This is the Bible to pass AMC exams, and I use this book daily whenever I'm practicing in my general practice. Every doubt I have, I'll usually refer John Murtagh. And if you say this is what is mentioned in John Murtagh, no one will argue with you because everyone knows that it's a well recommended book. So I would advise everyone to read John Murtagh for the MCQ and the clinical exam. So try to read this book as many times as possible. There are few people who pass the exams even without reading this book. That's good. Please do not argue with me about not reading this book. That's fine. They are lucky and they're talented people. I don't want to argue with them. So what are the topics you read in John Murtagh? John Murtagh is a very vast book, so you have to read the topics with a red dot and snake mark. They are very important ones. Those means they are the most common cases in Australia, or they are the cases where it's very important diagnosis, which if you miss, either the patient will die or the doctor is liable for medico-legal problems and many other things. So just read those ones well, but try to read the entire book. And other book is Kaplan series. I tried to do as many MCQs as possible in Kaplan, and many people say reading AMC MCQ and anthology is very good. I personally think they're very boring, so I had to read them because everyone scared me that if you don't read AMC MCQ and anthology, you will fail the AMC exam, but I don't think that's true. But again, I will leave that decision to you. Usually I feel them a bit boring, so usually I don't read those books, and I don't recommend the books. If my brother is sitting the exam or my sister is sitting the exam, I will tell him just read John Murtagh, try to do as many MCQs in Kaplan series. So where do you read the rest of the things from? So read rest of the things from sites like eMedicine, Australian Family Physician, or just Google it. Most of the things like ethics will be usually given in the Oxford Handbook of Clinical Medicine. Try to read the doctor-patient relationship there, and confidentiality and things like that. Usually they're all from UK, but in Australia most of the things are followed as per UK. Okay, so try to Google and try to read Oxford Handbook of Clinical Medicine for things like that. And I know that I cannot give the entire information in one video. I think these are the most important things, and these are the things which I personally think helped me and will help other doctors. But if you have any other suggestions, feel free to leave a comment or feel free to tell the other doctors, and kindly do not argue with me. Thank you very much. Bye.